Let's whiten and brighten some teeth. To begin, press the W key to choose Quick Select, and then press and hold the left bracket key to make that brush smaller. That's just a shortcut I like to use. There are other shortcuts for changing your brush size, but that's the one I tend to reach for. It's nice and easy to remember, easy to use. Make a selection of that area, then go to Select and Mask. And in Select and Mask, what I want to do actually is turn off my background layer. And in Select and Mask, I want to make sure I'm just seeing the teeth there. You could also change your view mode. It looks like it was showing it on layers. And sometimes it's helpful to see it in different ways, but basically I'm looking to make sure I can smooth out those edges a little bit, add a touch of feather. I want to have nice soft edges, and then click OK. Now that we've done that, next step is to use Hue Sat. Click on Hue Sat, Target Adjustment Tool, sample yellow, and drop down those yellows. Get rid of some of that. The teeth look a little lifeless, a little dull, no big deal. We're going to create a curves adjustment. So Command-click the layer mask if you're on a Mac, or Control-click on Windows. Then go to Curves, and here, click and drag to brighten that up a little bit. Want to have nice brightening there. Don't want to lose dimension. That's why I always like to bring this endpoint down. That will bring back a little bit of color, but you can always go back to your underline layer, Hue Sat, and say, hey, I'll pull out a little bit more of that. And then, of course, you want to look at your before and after to make sure it's going in a good direction. With this type of adjustment, I like to group layers. So click and shift-click, then Command-G for Mac, Control-G for Windows, and name this Teeth. Also, I know I'm going fast here, but doing this because we've already seen this, so it's a little bit of a repeat. But hopefully seeing it this way, you're kind of seeing, okay, yeah, that's how I could really crank through that process. And then now that it's in a group, I can dial it back. My teeth whitening and brightening was a little too strong. Now this looks a little more fitting, more natural for this type of portrait.